Hey guys, this is Philip with the Desmos Visionary. I'm back again with a new and exciting video. Numberphile recently posted a video talking about some very fun functions, and I've got the function that they have on their video written out here. And basically this function is defined as the lowest number with that many holes in it. So like here, this 4 has 1 hole in it, and then here, this 8 has 2 holes in it. And then it starts at 1 for some reason. I'm not entirely sure why. So this is a fun function, and there were some functions on that video that you couldn't find an explicit formula for, but I wanted to challenge myself, and this one seemed like a fun one to do, to create an explicit formula for this function. And so I have it here, and it's a pretty neat function. Basically, what we do is we start with this floor of n over 2, and we'll change that to next. And what that gives us is this steadily increasing function where the width of this line is 2. And basically all of this comes from the idea that in between here and here is a plus 4, and then from here to here is a plus 40, and from here to here is a plus 40, and from here to here is a plus 400, and a plus 400. And so you can see it's got a repeating value, so I decided to make a sum, and then we saw that sum was going up by a power of 10. Like from here to here is 4, this is 40, and then this from here to here, that's 400. And so we're going to raise this floor function to the power of 10. And what that gives us is a very exciting function, but it goes up by 10s instead of 40s to 400s. So we just multiply that by 4, and we get something similar to what we want, but what I forgot was we have to sum the previous numbers. And so when you do that, you get this function here, and I've graphed it here. I added this little plus 1 because the floor function technically doesn't exist on the end in some scenarios, and so it's kind of confusing. So I added this plus 1 just to clarify everything. And so as you can see, this does align with the green dots here, which are the function from Numberphile, which is super exciting. So I had a fun time with this. The only function value that doesn't work, you can see these tables line up, is 0, because it doesn't really comply with the pattern. And I know technically the function is defined as the smallest number with that many holes in it, and so 0 has a hole in it, so it doesn't have 0 holes, where 1 does, and so it makes sense that you would define the function this way. But in order for the pattern to work, I had to make this a 0. So if you guys have any ideas as to how to make this function equal 1 here instead of 0, be my guest. But this was a pretty fun thing to do, and I enjoyed it. I encourage you guys to go check out Numberphile's video and try to challenge yourself and find explicit formulas for fun functions like this. It was really exciting to do, and I enjoyed it. Well, thanks for watching. This is Philip with the Desmos Visionary.